yourself. Jockey, feel free. Next Saturday on ABC Family. I ain't gonna smell it if that's what you want. Sorry. A fantastic adventure comes to life.
You gonna go get the rest? Hmm? Look. Look.